Hello everyone and welcome back to the Sport Horizon YouTube channel. I'm Jay, one of the data tutors, and in today's Tableau for Sport tutorial I'm going to teach you how to edit the number of decimal places within your visuals in Tableau. Editing the number of decimal places is an incredibly valuable skill to learn as it improves the readability of your visual, it implements an element of consistency within its formatting, and it enhances the overall customization. I'm now going to jump straight into the tutorial and show you how to do exactly that. So, presented onto the screen right now, I have an example of a standard bar chart which looks at the passes attempted launched per 90 across Premier League teams. I want to be in a position whereby the values which are displayed at the outside end of each bar are to one decimal place as opposed to two. So to do that, you just want to hover your cursor over anywhere on the graph itself. You then go to right click and click on Format. You're then presented with a menu on the left hand side of the screen here, but we want to take focus on where it says Fields with a small drop down arrow. We're then going to click on the metric that we want to edit the values for, so in this case it's passes attempted launched. You're then presented with this new menu with two different tabs. You have Axes and Pane. We want to focus on Pane, as Pane is you actually editing the values of the metric itself, whereas with Axes is where you're editing the values of the axes. So by clicking on Pane, we're then just going to go to numbers within the default subsection here. And Tableau automatically sets it to automatic, but we want to customize this, so we're going to click on number custom. And as you can see here, you're presented with a tab with a number on it beneath decimal places. And if you click on this arrow pointing upwards, you're increasing the number, and if you click on the arrow pointing downwards, you're decreasing the number. Or you have the alternative of just typing it in, and that's what we're going to do as it's much easier. So we're just going to click 1, and as you can see, the values have now been changed to 1 decimal place. I'm now going to show you how to edit the values of your axes labels now. So to do that, I have a completely different graph here, and here I have the pass completion percentage launched per 90 across Premier League teams. I want to be in a position whereby firstly, I want to edit these values so it's to 1 decimal place, and so it has a percentage symbol at the end of it, and I also want to ensure that the axes labels also have a percentage symbol at the end of it. So to do that, we can do the exact same thing. We're going to right click and select Format. We're then going to go into Fields and click on the metric, which is passes launch completion percentage. So firstly, we're going to edit the values of the metric itself. So we're going to go into Pane, go into Numbers, go into Number Custom, and we're going to type in 1. And then there's also another option here called Prefix or Suffix, which enables you to add things at the start or at the end of the value. We're going to focus on suffix as we want to add a percentage symbol at the end of the value. And there's 2 tabs. This one, the first one is for prefix, the second one is for suffix. So in the second one, which is suffix, we're just going to add a percentage symbol. And as you can see, a percentage symbol is now added on the end of each data label. Now to edit the axes values itself, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go into the axes tab here, and we're going to focus on where it says scale and specifically where it says number. So we're going to click on this drop down menu here and click on custom again. We're going to bring it down to 0 decimal places, and we're going to just go into the suffix tab and type in the percentage symbol. And as you can see, the percentage symbol has now been added. I really hope you found today's tutorial useful. If you have, please click the thumbs up button and click subscribe too. Please check out our website too, links that will be in the description down below. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye bye.